Okay, so here I am with Khalil and Zuzu bike excursions, is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
That's right. We're going to go on a bike ride at night, 9 o'clock at night. It's going to be major exciting. And where are you taking us tonight? Around Jerusalem?
Old city.
And the old city. So are you ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it. Let's go.